Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I picked up the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic today. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at what we get, and I'll let you know what my first impressions are. Alright, so we've got the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This is the silver with the grayish white band. This is the 47mm version. This is the Bluetooth, not the LTE version. So let's go ahead and open this up. And we've got a box here. Looks like we've got our papers and stuff in here, I'm assuming. It's probably all our instructions. Let's go ahead and get that out of the way. Yep, quick start guide. Looks like that's all we get in there. Let's see, the other side should have our charging cable, I'm assuming. Let's go ahead. Yep, and there is our charging cable. So we've got our magnetic charging cable, USB-C charging. And let's go ahead, get the watch out. Let's see. Alright, so that is the back of the watch, the new sensors, and we have our quick release band. So we've got this button here that we just press down on and just remove the strap like that, and then we can go ahead and pop it right back in there. Yeah, nice addition to the Galaxy Watch lineup. We got our two buttons on the side. As soon as the camera can focus. There we go. Very shiny, classic looking, hence the name, the Classic. We've got our rotating bezel. Very nice, a little bit of clickiness there. And you can see we've got our tiles all in place. We've got the new watch face. So this is the photo watch face. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit more there so you can see that. And got a picture of my dog. On the left side is just polished stainless steel. Definitely has some weight to it, so I like that. Coming from the Galaxy Watch 4, and I also have a 5 Pro, this definitely has some weight to it, so you're going to notice that it's on the wrist. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring up our menu here. So we've got some notifications already to take a look at those. And then we've got our heart rate tile, our stress tile for measuring our stress. This is kind of the daily tile, so it's got our steps, our heart rate, our sleep, and I believe this is stress. And then if we go, we can measure our blood oxygen level. Got some alarms on here, and looks like our exercise, our rings. We've got our menu of all of the different workouts. So if we go here to more, we can see that. Oops, go ahead and turn that on. So we can see that there is just a menu of different exercises, and we can add more We can actually create exercises on here, which is really cool. Under select exercises, you can see that there's just a list of tons of exercises. If you're doing it, it's probably on here, and if it's not on here, you can probably create it. We have ice dancing, just some strange stuff never heard of. Let's see what else we have. We got rafting, rock climbing, so sailing, scuba diving, you name it, it's on here. Snorkeling. If we press the back button, press back button again, and one more time, we'll go back to our tiles. You can do your body composition, sleep, and weather. With the weather, if we click on that, you can actually go through the hourly weather, which is really nice. You can also see the whole week coming up, UV index. A lot of this stuff was on some of the other watches. Screen's much bigger. We have a calendar here. We have ECG. And I've got the battery widget on here. So overall, really enjoying the watch. Wears very nice on the wrist. Let me throw it on my wrist here for a minute. Give you a shot of that. And there we go. That's on my wrist. Very comfortable band too. Much more comfortable than some of the previous watches. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the fabric band. I've got the fabric band that came with the watch. I did get this during pre-order. Definitely a good deal. Traded in my Galaxy Watch 4. Picked this up, so I got $150 off of the unit itself. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other band. So we'll just go ahead and press those little quick release buttons there. Pop out, and let's open this guy up.
Artlist.io.
And it looks like some instructions how to put the band on. And let's see. All right.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, very nice looking band. Should be pretty comfortable to wear. Looks like it's got some Velcro here. We got those quick release buttons on both sides. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right. And okay. So we're going to take the short end, and that's going to go at the top or 12 o'clock of our watch. So we'll just press down those pins. See how easy that is to put in there. Oh, pretty easy. And then we'll take the other side. Press that in. All right, oops. Make sure that's locked in there. Okay. And let's just pop that on the wrist. And there we go. Very comfortable. I can tell you right now. And it's got lots of adjustment for different wrist sizes. So if you have a bigger wrist, smaller wrist, you should be able to use this. This is the, I believe, the medium large for my wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist. But yeah, that should be nice. We'll have to check that out during some exercise and workouts and some outdoor activities. Tell me, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy Watch 6 or Galaxy Watch 6 Classic? Are you going to upgrade from your current smartwatch? Let me know in the comments below. Go over some of the specs. So like I said, it's a 47 millimeter case. So the case size is 47 millimeters. This weighs in at about 85 grams. So like I said, it has some weight to it. The display is a 1.47 inch display, so a much bigger display to view. That's a 480 by 480, and that's 327 ppi. It has sapphire glass, so the Galaxy Watch 6 series, I believe both the 6 and the 6 Classic all have sapphire glass this year. It has up to 50 meters of water resistance. It is IP68 water and dust resistant. The case is made out of stainless steel. So as you can see, this is a stainless steel case all the way around. The battery is a 425 milliamp hour battery. So a little bit of a bump in the battery size from last year's model. This uses Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity. As I said, this is the Bluetooth model. This is not the LTE version. It is running Wear OS 4 currently. So we can take a look. If we swipe down, go to the gear icon, and gotta get used to that bezel. We can go down here to About Watch and scroll down, go to software information, and you can see it's running One UI 5.0 watch, and we are on Wear OS version 4.0. The memory on this, it has 2 gigs of RAM, and it has 16 gigs of internal storage space. So we've got storage on there to store music and apps and other items. This one is the model SM-R96. So if you're interested in picking this up, it's available now at any of your retailers. Like I said, I picked this up at Best Buy. These are going for a price of $429.99. They are offered through different carriers like Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, US Cellular. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely check it out. And there we go. There's my dog.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. Oh, some of the other things is the new watch faces, which one you're looking at now. So if we press and hold on the screen, we can switch over to some of the new watch faces. This is the new fluid watch face. Has some bounce to it when you click on it. And then the one that everybody's been seeing is the stretched time. So kind of Apple-ish. But it's got our day, date, and our heart rate showing. And I believe that there is the sleep coach. Let's see, so we can just go through. Oh, we've got the funny faces. So this is the funny faces watch face. And hold down there. Let's go back and let's take a look. Here is the daily activity number. It's another one of the more common watch faces that has been out there. And let's go back. And there we go. Here's our sleep coaching one. And there is the sleep coaching one. I think I'll go back to my dog. So let me know if you're going to pick one of the Galaxy Watch 6 series up. And I'll see you in the next video. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Stay tuned, and I'm going to have many more videos on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks again for watching.